Hi, room 2. I'm going to be doing the week 1, day 1 reading lesson using our packets. We're going to be looking at Sounds I Love, this graphic organizer chart page. You're also going to need your reading packet. Turn to Sounds I Love. I'm going to be showing the text on Clever also, so you'll be able to see it on the screen. We're about to start our very last unit in our language arts program, and it's unit 10. It's called Exploring Sound and Light. So it has some science in it, and I'm going to go ahead and play the unit opener, and then we're going to be looking at the first selection called Sounds I Love. We're going to work together to fill out this chart, identifying some different sounds that come up in the reading. We're going to be writing some examples of the city sounds that the author uses and country sounds over on this side. So have this ready. I'm going to be sharing my screen here. Give me a moment to pull it up. And here is a little introduction video for this unit, Exploring Sound and Light.
Exploring sound and light. A ray of light shines through your window and wakes you up. A screeching siren tells you to get out of the way. A flash of lightning and a clap of thunder mean it's time to go inside. We see and hear things everywhere. How would our lives be different without sound and light?
So this is our essential big question for this whole last unit. How would our lives be different without sound and light? Well, our first reading is called Sounds I Love. So I'm going to pull that up on Clever here. And you can also have the packet in front of you. Give me a moment to find the correct page here. This is a short selection. It is in the form of a poem. So we're going to be looking at the features of a poem. Sometimes they have rhyming words. We'll find out if this one does. And one thing we're paying really close attention to are any details about sound. That's what we're going to be recording on our sheets in a moment. So any details about sound. This is called Sounds I Love. The sounds of a busy city aren't very soft or pretty. The fire trucks shriek and clang. Construction workers boom and bang. Cars honk honk and beep beep too. They make me skip and hop, it's true. The city is the place for me because I love the sounds, you see. The sounds of a country place put a smile upon my face. Pigs grunt and cows say moo. That's how they talk to me and you. Horses neigh and owls say hoo. I wake each morning to cock-a-doodle-doo. The country is the place for me because I love the sounds, you see. Okay, boys and girls, was this a rhyming poem? Did you hear and read some rhymes throughout this poem? Okay, well, we're going to be looking back in the text, but let me go ahead and join you with this paper, and I'm also going to have my reading handy because it's copied for you. You can go ahead and also write on the text, right? It can help us find our information. So we have two sides to our chart. They're both about sounds. One of them is where we're going to list some of the city sounds that the author wrote about. And over here, the country sounds that the author wrote about. So looking at my text, the author started the poem with city sounds. City sounds. Let's see if we can find some examples. The sounds of a busy city aren't very soft or pretty. The fire trucks shriek and clang. Construction workers boom and bang. Those are some sound words that we can write on our paper. So I can say fire trucks. What do they do? What was the word in the text? Fire trucks. Oh yeah, they shriek and clang. So I underline those in the text so I can copy them from there. Shriek and clang. Fire trucks shriek and clang. And then construction workers, what do they do? It says that the construction workers boom and bang. I'm going to underline that. Construction workers boom and bang. Boom and bang. Okay, and then I want to identify what kind of sounds the cars make. The cars in the city. Cars. Cars. Honk, honk, and beep, beep. I'm going to underline that. That way I can look at my text to help me with the spelling and what I want to write. Cars, honk, and beep. Okay, and I think that's a good job for the city side. The sounds in the country are different, right? According to our poem. This side, it talks more about the animal sounds that you hear on a farm or in the country. Pigs grunt. Cows say moo. So there's two examples that I can put on my chart. Pigs grunt, cows moo. And then look in your text and see what else you can find for country sound. We did pigs and cows. Look in your text for what other sounds you hear in the country. Okay, so I can see it says horses neigh, owls say whoo, and then I wake up each morning to cock-a-doodle-doo. Who makes that sound? So I can write about roosters going cock-a-doodle-doo. Horses neigh. Owls whoo. Roosters go cock-a-doodle-doo. Here's my chart. Yours doesn't need to look exactly the same. And there's Leo. He's feeling a little left out because We didn't say that cats meow. Cats meow? Yes, they do. And sometimes they get in the way, huh? Well, at the bottom, we have a new set of directions. Down here, we're recording, which means we're writing rhyming words from the text onto this bridge map. So throughout the text, the poem that we read, we had some rhyming words. And we're going to identify them. You could circle them in the text first and then write them down. You can annotate that way. One set of rhyming words that we have in the first two lines, we have the sounds of a busy city aren't very soft or pretty. So we have two words that rhyme in those first two lines. We have city and pretty. They end the same. So I'm going to circle those as an example. And the way you can write them on these lines is I'm going to put city here and then pretty underneath as a rhyming word. City, pretty. Look in the text to see if you can find the next set of rhyming words. The fire trucks shriek and clang, construction workers boom and bang. What do you hear there? What do you see? Clang and bang rhyme. So I'm going to put those in my next set of lines. Cars honk, honk, and beep, beep too. They make me skip and hop. It's true. Here are the rhyming words there. We have to and true. So this was the T-O-O kind of to. And the word true. Okay, one more set of rhyming words. Now there is there's room for just one more set, but there are more rhyming words, so it's okay if you want to choose different ones also. The city is the place for me because I love the sounds you see. Me and see are rhyming words, so I'm going to write those for my last example. But the countryside of the poem has lots of rhymes too, so if you want to include rhymes from that side, you can. Okay, any questions, let me know.